Hello everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to discuss the few basic commands of GitHub, which is includes a clone, branch, checkout, commit, pull, push, merge. These are the basic commands which everybody needs in order to work in the this everyday basis. We use these commands. So clone is used for cloning the repository from remote to your local system. Branch is used for creating different branch, deleting a branch, and checkout is for moving a checking out the different branch if and changing the branch. If I'll say commit is for saving your local changes to a local. Pull is for pulling the latest information or latest code available in your repository. Push is used for whenever you commit, you have to push it. Commit means it will only save in your local machine until unless you push, it won't reflect in the remote system or your repository. So that's the purpose we use push. Merge, if you want to merge your one branch to another branch, for that purpose we use merge. Fetch, sync, and status. By status you can see what is the status of my current repository, whether some changes I have done, or how, if I deleted any file, if I have added it, fine. That's kind of work to this kind of brief introduction about it. So we'll be going through each one of the command in details, and we'll be doing a practical as well for that. So I just give you overview about it because in the next video we are going to clone our repository using the clone command. Or let's not go to the next video because I think it's a bit short, so we'll try to finish that cloning part in this video as well. If you remember, we have created a Git branch called Git demo, and we have also set up the local environment for our Git. So let's go to the command prompt. So currently, if you see what I have in my repository, I have only the readme file, which is available in github.com/github demo. So the same repository I want in my local, so I can start working on that. So what I can do for that is go to some folder, let's say Git. I'll not go inside that, I'll give some different name, GitHub demo. It's my local folder. Okay, here I'll open the command prompt. So I'm inside the E drive GitHub demo, and I want to clone or get these files, this repository in my local. For that, what I have to do is you just say copy this, and here you say git clone and the URL which we copied. So it will say cloning the GitHub repository demo. Let's see what is there. Yes, we got the file which is available in the remote. GitHub tutorial demo repository. Great. So our readme file has what? Our readme file only has this tutorial demo repository. That's it. Okay. So if you noticed, while cloning, it has not asked me the credential because I have already configured my credential on the global label. So it will not keep asking again and again whatever the operation I do in the git command. So here you go, I got the repository. Here you can see the marks here, green. It means nothing is added, the repository is clean. The time I add file here, let's say I'm adding a text document, program.cs, it means my repository has something new file which doesn't indicate any icon here if you observe carefully. So We'll see the status. It says nothing added to commit but untracked files. Means untracked files means newly file added. Program cs.txt, which is this one. So my version control is ready to track my files, my newly added files, and removing the files, everything. So that's it for today. I think in the next video we'll try to use the commit, and we'll try to push the changes. So 2 commands we are going to try on the next video at least, or we can try the branch as well. We'll see how it works. Okay, that's it for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.